Alright, today we're going to take a look at another Zippo and get this camera focused a little bit. Now this Zippo arrived in the normal black box, but it does have the protective sleeve, which I like them doing. And this says Harley Davidson. It also says Harley Davidson on the barcode. And this is a genuine Zippo made in Bradford, PA. And it does have the Harley Davidson box, so it's a collectible box. And the insert also is Harley Davidson logo. And here is the Zippo. Harley Davidson motorcycles, a true legend. Now this is in kind of a yellow, shiny yellow finish on a brass body, and this one was made in, looks like J of 16. So that, I believe, is October. Good stampings on this one, really good. Bradford, PA, made in USA. Good sound. This one lights up really good. Now Zippo makes quite a few Harley designs. Here's another one. This is a really good one. And let's take a look at one more. I'm sure Zippo's done probably close to 20 Harley designs. This is one of the more colorful. Let's do a drop test. Okay, so the Harley Zippo passes the drop test easily. That's a good one. And definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.